My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2022 Hyundai Ioniq 5. This vehicle has done just over 62,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights and our drive mode button. From here we can switch between sport mode, eco, normal, and if we hold down, snow. To the right of our steering wheel, we have smart cruise control, as well as automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, using the buttons just below, we can access our button settings, media, navigation, and map. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen, we have our dual zone climate control. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.